Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Kritika Verma from class 12C, going to share my presentation on branding, packaging and labeling on Scooty. The content of my topic is before giving me a brand name to my product, I would like to share that what is branding. Branding is the process of giving a name or a sign or a symbols etc. to a product. And then the advantage of branding is first of all to producer, to middleman, to consumers. And then the purpose of branding is and then the brand name of my scooty is Horizon Scooty. So the product which I would like to launch is Horizon Furious. The first ever BS6 two-wheeler scooty by Horizon Furious enhanced smart power. The brand name of my product is and then I am going to tell you about that what is One Furious 125. So presenting the new Furious 125 BS6 with Horizon globally acclaimed enhanced smart power technology which combine high power and high fuel efficiency with a quiet start and a smooth eco-friendly engine. Full metal body loaded with many first in segment feature make it a quiet revolution. The punchline of my product is hashtag ride with Furious. And then what is packaging? So the packaging has been defined as an activity which is concerned with protection, economy, convenience and promotional consideration. The advantage of packaging is first of all to manufacture, to middleman and then to consumers. And then the purpose of packaging is and then the packaging of my product. So there can be a three level of packaging. First is primary packaging. As you can see in photo that there is no need to provide additional packages like cardboard, tapes and so many thermocol wooden packages. That is why it is known as product immediate packaging. And then second is secondary packaging. So as you can see very well that is covered by so many things like thermocol, tapes. So it is an additional packages which provide additional layer of protection to the product. So additional packages is generally thrown when the consumer begin to use. And then last in transportation packaging, you can see that trucks are loaded with limited numbers of scooty. So it is the refers to the further packaging which is used to protect in the process of storage and transportation. Now I am going to share about that what is labeling. So label is the part of product which carries verbal information about the product or seller. It may be a small slip or printed statement. And then the purpose of labeling in packaging. And then the advantage of labeling is and then I am going to share about my labeling. So engineering 125cc engine, 3 value aluminium cylinder head overheaded cam and roller rocker arm. Then second horsepower and Newton meter. 9.76 brake horsepower at the rate 7500 rotation per minute maximum power. 10.6 Newton meter at the rate 6000 rotation per minute maximum torque. Fuel tank is 7 liter. Seat height is 770 mm. Ground clearance is 155 mm. Chassis is aircraft derived single side arm suspension dual effect hydraulic shock absorber. Brakes 200 mm diameter front ventilated disc brake, 140 mm diameter rear drum brake. So as you can see the price of my scooty is in ex showroom is 71,000 rupees. And below that you can see that there are so many colors available in my scooty like white, yellow, dark blue, blue, pink and red. Here I am going to end my presentation. So thanks all of you to watch and listening my presentation. Now not hope but fully ensured that you have liked my PPT on branding, packaging and labeling on Scooty.